Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your headset and game are ready. This prevents lost progress. Once done, enable developer mode or unknown sources so the loader can install mods. You then download a compatible mod loader and the specific bot voice mod. This is the bridge that adds voice features. Make sure to keep a backup of your game before installing anything, because mods change files. You do this now to avoid troubleshooting later and to speed up the rest of the process. You install the mod loader using your preferred tool, USB sideload or SideQuest style app, because it injects the functionality you need. After installation, transfer the bot voice mod to the game's mod folder and set file permissions so the game can read it. Once the loader detects the mod, open its UI, enable the bot voice, and assign a hotkey or gesture to trigger it. Make sure to configure voice sensitivity and output device while here, since these settings control clarity and latency. You finish by launching Gorilla Tag in a private lobby so you can safely test the bot voice without disrupting others. Speak, trigger the bot, and listen for delay, clipping, or wrong output. Then adjust mic gain and output volume to balance clarity. If the voice fails, make sure the game has microphone permissions, restart the headset, and reinstall the mod loader or mod if needed. As a key troubleshooting tip, if nothing works, check that the mod version matches your game build. Mismatches are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.